Good morning, children. Here this is the Brain Booster 6.3 fifth sum. Write each of the following numbers in as many ways as possible. In other words, write all the factors of each of the given numbers. Here we need to concentrate here as many ways as possible, and all the factors are both mean the same. Now children, number is given. So in the fourth question we have already seen that one number is given and we have checked whether that is divisible by 2, by 3, by 4, by 7, by 12. Okay. So 3 number within 3 table, this 28 is not coming. So what are the factors? 2 into 14, 4 into 7, 7 into 4. These are the factors. Now children, for in this fifth sum, we need to find the factors of 12. All the factors of 12. We will see. Now, we are going to check from one table. 1 into 12. Then we need to check the next number, that is 2. So, how to check for 2? We need to use test of divisibility. So, ones place number should be even number. So, it is 2 is even number. 12 is divisible by 2. 2 6 is 12. Then come to the next table, that is 3. Do we get this 12 in 3 table? How to check? 2 plus 1. The given digits should be added. So, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 is divisible by 3. So, 3 fours is 12. Now next table is 4. Do we get in 4 table? Last 2 digits we need to check. 12 comes in 4 table. So we know that 4 threes is 12. Now children, when we clearly observe, 4 threes is same as 3 fours are, right? So again after 4, next is 5. Do we get in 5 table? 12? No. Then again comes 6. 6 twos are. It is again reverse of 2 6 are. Then again next is 12 into 1. Okay. So this and this are same. Only the factors are changing the place. Okay. Now we will leave the second group. Now concentrate on the first group. So we will write all the factors in the ascending order. Right. So all the factors of 12 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are all the factors of 12 children. In the same way, now D 28. So again starting from 1 into 28. Next is, do we get in 2 table? Same, check. 1's place is 8, so it is 2 into 14. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Next is, do we get in 3 table? No. 3 9s is 27. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 will not come in 3 table, so you won't get it in 3 table. Right? Now 4. 4 7s are is 28. Again after this, in 5 table, 6 table also we don't get that. So again after this, 7 means 7 fours are. So from till here it is first group. Next is 7 fours are. Next is 14 twos are. Next is 28 ones are. So take the first group and write it in the ascending order. So all the factors of 28 equal to, okay, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. In the same way children, for 96 also, 96 will come in 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4, 6, 8. If you are unable to find factors like this, you can take each number and divide and see how many times it is coming. 2 into 48 times. 2 fours is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Get down 6. Now it is 16. 2 8 is 16. After subtraction it is 0. Right? So we are writing all the factors of 96 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 32, 48 and 96. In the same way children, 128. Okay. Now we'll move on to the sixth sum. Write all the factors of 36. Now I think by this time you know how to write all the factors. Now we are going to write the factors of 36 and also for 72. Find out if all the factors of 36 are also the factors of 72. So first we are going to write the factors of 36. So 1 into 36, again it will come in 2 table also. So 2 into 18, 3 also, 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 is divisible. So in 3 table also we will get 4 table also, 4 9s are 6 6 are 36. So after 6 table again 7 8, we don't have 36 in those tables. So directly 9 4s are. So from here it is again reverse. So take the first group and start writing the factors of 36. Okay. Now writing the factors of 72. So 1 into 72, 2 into 36, 3 into 24, 4 into 18, 6 into 12, 8 into 9. So again from here it is repeated. So write all the factors of 72 equal to, write in the ascending order starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 72. So after writing all, children, what is the next question? We need to find the factors of, we should check if all the factors of 36 are also the factors of 72. So I have written factors of 36 because it is at the back. So if we can see both, we can compare. And factors of 72 are also here. Now we will compare this. 1 is both, 2 is also in both of the factors, 3 also, 4 also, 6 also, 9 is there in 72, 12 also, 18 and 36. So whatever is there in 72, some extra factors are there like 8 and 24. But whatever is there in 36 are being repeated in 72. So final answer what we have written is yes, all the factors of 36 are also the factors of 72. Now children, seventh sum. Write all the factors of 6 except 6 and find their sum. Write all the factors of 28 except 28 and their sum. What is their total? What do you observe? Children, so many questions but very easy answer. So we know how to write factors of 6. It will come in 1 table, 2 table, 3 table. 1 into 6, 1 6 are, then 2 3s are. Okay. So what is the question? One more, next one. Except 6, we should find their sum. So leaving the 6, the remaining factors we should add. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Next is factors of 28. It will come in 1 28 times, 2 14 times, 4 into 7. Clear children? In 1 table, 2 table, 4 table, 7 table, 14 table, 28. Okay. So these are the factors. Now we should not include 28 in the addition. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14. If we add all these factors, Answer is 28. Okay, sum of factors of 6 is 6. Sum of the factors of 28 is 28, except number itself. This is the final answer, children. So please practice. Thank you.